Hi guys, today we are going to see the tutorial to how to install Dolphin on mobile. You should first download the Dolphin app from the Play Store, and I will give you the links for the ISO in the comment. If you have downloaded the ISO, go to the files and locate the ISOs where you have downloaded. So in this phone I have downloaded it to my internal storage and I have created a folder of it, and you should copy paste the files on the folder and go to the Dolphin and then add games, and then you should locate this. That's all. How this video is easy. Bye and subscribe for this channel. Thank you.